Today's upcycle project is sponsored by the letter I. Stick around to see how we turned a discarded I into a stunning hot cocoa bar sign. Although the I had its neon intact, sadly it wasn't working, so the first step was to remove it. In order to accommodate the rope light, we had to grind a bigger hole through the back first. I've got this wonderful stencil from Funky Junk's old sign stencils. It says hot cocoa bar. I've got a piece of white vinyl here. Now that I have it traced, I'm going to take an X-Acto knife. To cut around the curves, I'm going to freehand it. I've got the sticker stuck down on one side here, and on the flip side, I'm going to roll the paper back. And as I do that, I'm going to take the squeegee and roll it right along. Here it is after adhering the vinyl, and then we got the rope lights in. I absolutely love how this turned out. It's a great way to let your guests know where they can indulge in some delicious hot cocoa during the holiday festivities. So what do you think of our upcycled letter I?